Anna Rosalie Boch was born February 10, 1848, known as Anna, was a Belgian painter, art collector, and the only female member of the artistic group, late 20. Born in Saint-Vaast, No. Anna Boch died in Ixelles in February 25, 1936 and is interred there in the Ixelles Cemetery, Brussels, Belgium. Boch participated in the Neo-Impressionist movement. Her early works used a Pointillist technique, but she is best known for her Impressionist style which she adopted for most of her career. A pupil of Isidore Verheyden, she was influenced by Théo van Rysselberghe whom she met in the artistic group, late 20.